This is my friend Sofie, and using her feet, she's going to try and hit me with an arrow while I'm flying through the air. She's one of the best gymnasts in the world, so I'm 90% sure I can trust her when she says, don't worry, my feet aim really well. So first things first, I need to try and find a bow and arrow around here. And so luckily this house has literally everything, and we're good to go. Pretty much I want to try and mount this to the SkySurfer. We also have these servos over here. You might remember these things from the recent video that I did with Carter where we turned a real car into an RC car. It was completely driving itself with just a remote control. Okay, this is the first time we have nobody in the front seat, and it is only me in the back seat. Here we go. I just told Carter to go fast. Let's see if we can do a donut. Ah! This is so much fun. Okay, so I found this pipe, and I'm gonna actually end up sticking this onto here. I do have to make sure nothing falls because anything that does fall will get sucked into the propellers. Not a good idea. Okay, this is cut, and like I said, it should pop right onto here. And there we have it. I'm gonna mount the servo right on the end of this. So I need a place to mount this thing, somewhere that looks cool. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna use these two locations right here. So I'm gonna have this thing pointed out straight. It's gonna be headed that way. I'm gonna need some targets. I don't know what to do yet. Okay, and here we are, we're done. This is the contraption, flash forward a couple hours, and I got a little bit of a safety here. It's ready to fire. So once I go up, I can pull that out, and then actually somebody from the ground is going to fire it. So when the target's missed, it won't be my fault, and I can't say that I have good or bad aim. But I would say overall, it actually looks pretty good. Not too bad. Okay, let's go ahead and test the mechanism a little bit and see if this thing moves. So here's the trigger. All I gotta do is stick my hand in and pull it, connected to this Nerf gun, and it should move this. Testing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it actually worked. So I think that actually worked a little bit too well because it went straight through the wall, which is crazy because it doesn't even have a point on it. Okay, test number 2. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Perfect. Now we're set. Okay, so I think we've got it. The next steps are gonna be getting some reactions from other people around the house. Let's go see what they say. What do you guys think of this?
It looks like electric Robin Hood. What's the in Fortnite?
Fortnite. Oh. So the reason I built it is because later, Sofie is going to shoot with an arrow while I'm flying through the air.
Why?
I don't know why. In the meantime, I wanted to be able to fight back. So here's the mission. I'm going to be flying up in the air, and I need you guys to pull the trigger and fire this arrow whenever you see me.
Dibs first.
Right in front of the target. Okay? We're gonna aim for the Team RAR sign. How about that?
Oh my God, no way.
Yeah.
If you actually pull this off, Hunter, I will be impressed.
Hunter just built the craziest thing ever. What do you call this, Hunter?
I don't know what I call this thing. All right, here we go. This is a big step for mankind. Nobody's done this before, I'm sure. I don't know how to balance with this thing, but hopefully it's easy. No way, I can't believe it actually worked. What in the world? Ryan, wanna do it?
Of course. Who doesn't want to shoot an arrow from a drone?
You get the detonator.
Dude, this looks like an actual detonator. You cannot take this through airport security.
You pulled the trigger too early. You just fired it.
I don't think this is legal.
Well, don't ask questions. So, you'll know when to do it, whenever it feels right.
Okay, I'm not scared at all. I don't understand how this is a thing. Dude, just the idea of being able to like pull a trigger is sick.
I'm kind of wondering if this is like $1 million idea and I just don't know it.
I think it might be.
Do you want 5%?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put your name on it though.
Actually.
Andrew is a fellow mechanical engineer, so maybe he'll appreciate the mechanics of this thing a little bit.
It's pretty crazy. I'm not quite sure how it works. I guess this little arm must hold the bow.
But this time we're gonna aim for some cardboard that I set up over here so we have a little bit of a target to go for. And we good to go. Target practice, test 1. That is too funny. Hey, do you mind shooting an arrow off of me while I'm flying?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. Well, that was easier than I thought. So here's the thing. I'm gonna be flying right there, and there's a target in front of it. Okay. So as soon as I take off the ground, you're gonna have the detonator in your hand, and you're gonna be the one to pull the trigger. The arrow is gonna fire, and you're gonna hit the target.
Coolest thing I've done, man.
Can you do it? Here is the detonator.
Dude, this looks like... This looks like something in a movie where they say, please put it down.
So you notice how it's moving that thing? That's the direction you want to go.
Dude, the fact that you've... This is absurd.
Best hit that anybody's gotten so far.
Cause I'm nice with it like that. You on any no-fly list?
All of them. All right.
Yo, is that an alien on a hoverboard?
No, Zach, that's just one of those new electric cars. Oh my God, they're really making these electric cars really weird. Wow.
Oh, he's going so slow.
Oh my God. Get out of the road, dude.
Why is he so slow?
I know. Get out of the road. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. not coming back at us, is he? Holy.
That was fun. I'm getting honked by cars. It's okay. No worries.
Did you build that?
Yeah, I did.
I saw it on my For You page, and I was like, wait, is this real? I thought it was photoshopped at first, and then I started looking at your whole page, and I was like, oh my god, wait, it's not photoshopped.
I saw it and like I was like, this is fake.
Yeah,
like
he
my first
he
thought,
gave the
like,
phone back to me, and he
I
was
was
like,
I'm like, Sofie, this is fake.
And I was
then-
like, I started looking at your page, I was like, it's not.
Well, it looks like a video game when you're like, have somebody like flying through the sky. It's like, wait a second, that can't be real.
It looks like what everyone in the 2000s were like, oh, 2020 is gonna look like this. Like everyone flying around. It literally looks like that. So I don't know if you saw my videos, but I do like.
And then you do it to like your feet.
Yeah.
I imagine it's pretty accurate. Just don't hit me.
Yeah, this whole video is gonna be like a myth. Just like what the f is going on? Like some dudes flying on a hoverboard and some girls upside down floating there with their feet.
This is a little close. I don't know. You might want to set up right there if that's possible. I don't think they realize how loud it's gonna be.
No, I know. The little ones are loud. That thing's got to be freaking racket.
I can actually break the speed of sound with those propeller rotations. Okay, guys, we just set up the hoverboard. I've got Sofie here, and what's gonna happen is she is gonna shoot me with an arrow while I'm flying.
Yeah, never been done before, literally.
Yeah, never been done before.
Yeah.
So this will be interesting to see how it goes. We are trained professionals.
Yes, do not try this at home. I mean, I don't know where you would get a hoverboard, aircraft, and shoot a bow at their feet at home, but like, don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it. We're ready to do this, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
You're not gonna hit me, are you?
I would never.
Okay. All right. All right. Here we go. This will be fun. Hey, you got it!
Yeah. Oh
That's a
my
little
God.
close to the edge.
Oh my god, that was like freaking me out just watching it.
I was just standing there like, I don't know if she's gonna do this or not. I'm just gonna keep hovering. So, had a little bit of a crash here. Souvenir?
Yeah, that was crazy.
If anybody else asked, I would have said heck no, but I trust her.
Well, thanks so much.
So much fun. See you later, Sofie. That was cool.
Did you make this?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah, thanks.
Good for you. That's awesome. All right. Wow, that's so cool.
Maybe you guys can buy one.
No.
Go to Walmart,
I'm
you'll see it
okay
on the
with a
shelf.
car.